So in this video I'll talk about a takedown that could work on the street. I use it a lot. First you will see me teaching the takedown, and then I will show you a clip out of my security work. So you see me doing it for real in the context that you need to understand. So I will explain. But before I show the video, you need to understand I'm not proud of this. It's not me showing off. Because some people, they say this will never work in real life and all stuff like this. Makes me laugh, because me and a lot of colleagues, they know we use this a lot, and I have nothing to prove to them. So I don't feel responsible for that. It's their insecurity, not mine. But recently I did it in another clip and people react well on it and they appreciate me sharing it. So please, I'm not sharing it to prove anything. I'm not sharing it to show how awesome it is, because it's not. Violence is only negative. So I'm not happy I have to use it, but because of my work I have to use it often, and once in a while it gets caught on camera. So also in this video I think it has educational purposes, how and when you can use this takedown. You have to understand, everything I teach is born out of a necessity, and it's battle tested by me or my colleagues. It's that simple from you see it. So first, the context of the clip. First you see me teaching, then you see me doing it for real. That context of that black and white clip that I will add in this video is this. My colleague worked 10 minutes to get a guy out of the establishment, but he refused to go. I was standing at the door and I got a call that he needed help by getting somebody out. The guy got caught with cocaine and he refused to get out. Then I went up, and before you see me doing this takedown, we had approximately 5 to 10 minute talk. I really tried to de-escalate the situation. You can also see it in my body language. I try to de-escalate the situation, but the guy becomes more hostile over time. Sometimes they see your kindness as weakness. Maybe the cocaine did it, I don't know exactly, but he said something in the lines of, I'm not going out. If I have to go out, then I have to go horizontally, like in a horizontal way. And then I responded like, please don't make me do this. I don't want this. Let's be kind. Let's make it easy and just walk with me. We have a conversation outside. But he refused to do it. Everything I tried, he bounced. So at one point, he becomes more agitated, and I will also show this in the video. Then his head comes forward. That's the first preset cue he gave me. Of course, next to the aggressive dialogue he gave me. I really tried to talk him down. So what I tried to do is meet him at his volume and then try to talk the situation down. But this guy was pretty pissed. He became more pissed. Then after this first cue of the verbal aggression, then the second cue came, head came forward, and then the next step you see him coming forward again, and now he's raising his fist in this manner, like he almost wanted to give me a hammer fist. And then you see me grabbing him in a ballistic way, knee him in the dick, and then I snatch him on the floor. And then after this, grabbed him and escorted him out. So you have to understand, this guy had not a lot of damage. He just had a shock moment, and it overwhelmed him. So I used the element of surprise, of course, but I had no time because he was raising his fist. So you have to understand the context of this. So nobody damaged in this situation. It's just a takedown. And it could only work if you knee him in the dick. Yes. So look at the clip with an open mind. I already tried to show you why I did it, and let me know how you liked it in the comment section.
Boom, we ended here. Look what we're going to do right now. Look at my footwork. I'm gonna open the gate and make a circle. And when I have the circle, I push him with the knuckles when I grab the fabric of the t-shirt, and I step and I snatch him to the floor. Now I use the floor as an impact weapon. Now I can regulate force. I can grab a head, stand up. I can grab a head when I need it. I can grab a head and accelerate it like as hard as I can. So now he breaks the skull. Or I think more security. I grab and I knee and I control more. You see the difference? This. This is already enough for a snatch. Right, and I'm wrestling with a fucking strong dude, and it's always very difficult to get him down. Then my brain says, knee him in the dick. And then there's another part in the brain that says, no, it's not allowed, we are sport. It's easier to do this stuff when you first break base and then snatch him. But understand, this is a snatch. I push foot down. Now I let go. And this is a rack down. I knee him in the groin. I would throw him against the corner, against the wall, against the bar. So you can play a bit with that. Both is okay. But the snatch down gives you more control. Understand, if you snatch somebody down, that you step to the side again. For the reason of this, you have a psychological advantage. He doesn't know for a split second where I am. If I don't do step to the side, guess what he's doing right now? He can bring me to the floor. And another reason is, if I'm to the side, if his friend is coming, he needs to negotiate this body. So always when you snatch, step to the side.